Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in there, or also you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now the tray is positioned at the bottom of the device, so let's pop it out. There we go. You can see right over here. Push it in, the tray will pop out, and then you can take it out, and you have space for only a single SIM card. So let's place it in here. And it looks like nothing is really holding it in place, so you will need to do that yourself. And once you do, simply insert it back into the device. There we go. And there we go. So the SIM card is obviously working because it's asking for a PIN. And there we go. So that is how you would insert a SIM card. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.